Lamig, no? Ang init. Papunta kami sa meeting ngayon dito sa Taiwan, sa American Club. May bisita ako. Iba gayo. Overnight lang, grabe sa Taiwan. Big time bata mo. Ibang klase ka.
The park that commemorate the west side.
The West.
This is a national.
Hirap na hirap ka.
Gara pang milk tea.
Ikaw, milk tea. Ako, busog na. Grabe. Dito tayo, check natin yung venue. Lalaroan natin sa October. Let's go, PYD.
Symphony House. And that's the Chongqing Memorial Hall. This is the place.
Yeah, this is the main venue for U14 para sa October tournament natin here in Taiwan.
Anyway, there's a door.
Foreign affairs.
And number one, that's the short.
Gosh. Bilis ng Taiwan. Sobrang advanced. Winner talaga.